Enabling biometric login for your PNC bank account can enhance your security and make accessing your account more convenient. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the PNC mobile app. Download and install the PNC Bank mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't done so already. Open the app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, navigate to the app's main menu. Look for the Settings or Profile option, usually represented by gear icon or your account name. Step 3. Select Biometric Login. In the Settings menu, find the option for Biometric Login or Security Settings. This may be labeled as Enable Fingerprint Login or Face ID Login, depending on your device. Step 4. Follow prompts. Before changing your settings, use the Eshrok.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Once you have successfully enabled biometric login, make sure to save any changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that biometric login is now active. Now you can enjoy the convenience of logging into your PNC bank account using your fingerprint or facial recognition. Always ensure your device is secure to protect your banking information.